He's selling watermelons on the truck. I'm about to hear him get home. But it literally remind me of my mother's father, which is my grandfather on my mother's side. He had a truck, and I feel the taps of rain coming down. I don't know if I hope I don't get wet. You know what I'm saying? I hope I don't. I'm right at my house though. You know, I'm close. I'm not right always there, but I'm close. But I'm hoping that I can get there without the rain touching. It's a chance that I will get wet, but I don't feel like getting wet. I don't want to get wet. Oh my goodness. If I can just make it to my house. That rain ain't playing, boy. It's gonna come down. Yeah. It's been a while since I ran like that. That's why I'm gonna start practicing getting up early in the morning, doing what I need to do. I gets up early, but it ain't, you know, I gets up at like 9 o'clock, 9:30, 9:15, 9:01 every morning. Because I don't like to just sit in the bed. In the meantime, y'all can still see the traffic is passing. We still probably gonna get a little rain today. Probably gonna rain a lot tomorrow. So I'm gonna see y'all later here. I'll be back.